Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with another mommy video, and today we're going to be talking all about potty training. So I'm going to be helping you out. I know it can be challenging, stressful, you can get impatient, but I'm here. I'm going to share my tips and tricks with you guys. I just want to let you know this is what worked for me. So by no means I am telling you this is the set in stone right way to do it, so you can just take things away from what I'm sharing with you and incorporate it into your potty training journey. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into tip number one. Number one, you want to make sure your child is ready. So I purchased the potty when she was about 18 months, and I started to potty train her then. Well, I started to introduce her to the potty, and she wasn't ready. As much as I felt like she was ready, because she would tell me like, "Mommy, I peed in my diaper," because Skylar, I feel like she's been talking all her life, but she was talking fairly good around, like 18, 19 months, before she was even 2 years old. So she would tell me when she used the bathroom, or she would be trying to take her diaper off and stuff. So since she was doing that, I thought she was ready to be potty trained, but she was not quite ready. And I think one of the things that factored in was the fact that I wasn't ready, okay? Because with potty training, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. If you're not consistent, it's not gonna work, period. But yeah, make sure your child is ready. If they're not ready, it's going to make it more stressful on you, because you're going to be trying to force them to do something that they're not ready for. Number two, get your child involved. So we went to Walmart and I let her pick out her potty, pick out a potty that she wanted. And what kind did she want? I think she wanted Mickey Mouse, but when I went back to the store, they didn't have it. So I ended up getting a whole nother potty. And, but I made it exciting. I told her that we had a gift for her and everything. If I can find the footage, I'll put it in. But yeah, I told her that we had a gift for her, and she opened up the gift and she was surprised and happy or whatever. And I just basically explained to her what she was gonna do with the potty. Yeah, I just made it fun, and I involved her in it. When I was setting the potty up, I involved her in setting it up and everything like that. Number three, purchase big girl panties or big boy panties. I'm gonna be referring more to girl, because I potty trained my daughter. I haven't potty trained a boy, so I'm more familiar with potty training a girl. So yeah, purchase big girl panties. The first thing for me is I try to do it with the pull-ups, but she was thinking that they were diapers, so she was still peeing in the pull-ups. So I was like, okay, let me get some panties. And I got some cute panties, character panties. I feel like the first ones that I got was little Mickey Mouse panties or Minnie Mouse, and she loved them, okay? She wanted to wear her panties, and I was telling her Mommy has her panties on, so Skylar has to wear her panties, but you can't pee in your panties. So make it fun, and show her that, oh, you wear panties, you go to the bathroom, okay? And I also got her Moana. She loves Moana, so I got her some Moana panties. Be prepared for accidents. Be prepared, y'all. I can't even count on two hands how many times I had to clean up pee and poop. I was so tired of cleaning up number two. It was ridiculous, okay? But I felt like when I started to put the panties on her, that's what really helped her, because I'm like, Skylar, don't pee in your panties. And she could feel the difference, because with a pull-up, it feels like a diaper. And then you can get the training panties, and I felt like those were too thick for her, because they kind of felt like a diaper to her too. So I got the regular panties for toddlers, and she started to do really good with those when I started to put those on her throughout the day and let her wear her panties. So number four, put the potty in a convenient place. Yes, the potty is supposed to be in the bathroom. Yes, it helps with like the association, the connection between, you know, letting her know that you go to the bathroom to use the potty. But if she's waking up from a nap, like, and she doesn't, you know, this is all new to her. So she's waking up from a nap. You want that potty to be very convenient and right there where she can get to it. So I had the potty sitting like in the hallway, and during the day, like, I would just leave it there, and that's where she would go potty, because it was just very convenient. We were like always in that space, and it just made it easy for her going to the potty. And also my next tip is number 5, set a timer. Set a timer on your phone for every 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, just depending on your child, you know. Maybe you can start out with every 20 minutes and ask them, like, do you have to go potty? Don't just ask them, make them go to the potty and sit on the potty for a few minutes. You hear me? Because they don't know. Like, you ask them, they're gonna say, like I did that with Skylar. I was like, Skylar, do you have to go potty? You know, no, mommy. And then next thing I know, 5 minutes later, she's peeing on herself, or she's doing number 2 on herself. And I'm like, girl, I just asked you, did you have to go to the potty? Like, whoa, like what? You know? So every 20 minutes, kind of, you know, let her go to the potty, sit on the potty. You can have the TV going, and then next thing you know, she's then use the bathroom on the potty, or he's then use the bathroom on the potty. Also, after, you know, she's doing good, or he's doing good with 20 minutes, start stretching it out a little longer. Maybe go to 25 minutes, then maybe go to 30 minutes, then maybe go to 45 minutes, an hour. And then that's training her to know, like, you have to hold your pee when you have to go to the bathroom. You hold it and until you get to the bathroom. My next tip is number 6. Shower your toddler with prizes or gifts or whatever he or she likes. Okay, Skylar loves chocolate, okay? Let's just be honest, my girl is a chocolate fanatic, okay? So I had a whole bag of Hershey Kisses. Every time she went to the bathroom, I gave her a Hershey Kiss. I know it's not the best thing, but it worked, okay? Or sometimes I gave her a sticker, because she is sticker crazy. So that helped her, she know, like, when I go to the potty, my mommy is going to give me a prize. She's going to give me something that I love, which is chocolate. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the potty, okay? So, you know, I did that. And the one thing, I'm going to tell you, honestly, I did all of these things, but the one thing that really was a game changer was consistency. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. You can't just do it for half the day and be like, okay, whatever, we'll start again tomorrow. No, you have to do it all day long. You can't do it for 2 or 3 days and be like, all right, let's just take a day off, because it's a job. It's a lot. You have to continuously do it. Now, for me, when I was looking for different tips and tricks to help out with my potty training journey with Skylar, I would always see, like, get like a chart, and whenever they go to the potty, give them a sticker so they can put it on the chart, you know, like a little chart where it tracks their potty training journey or whatever. I never did that, but you may can try that, and that may help, especially if your child loves like stickers and stuff like that. You know, give them a sticker, they put it on the little chart, and you know, that may help them. But I never tried that with Skylar. The chocolate worked for me, and giving her stickers worked for me. You could also create a potty song, like, oh, what did we used to say? Ah, she used to love it. I'd be like, Skylar went to the potty. Hey, Skylar went to the potty. So Skylar went to the potty. Just something like, y'all, I literally made it up off the top of my head, because one day I was just so excited because she was going to the potty, and I was like, Sky went to the potty. Hey, Sky went to the potty. And then we'd just be clapping our hands and high-fiving and stuff. And she enjoyed that. So make a potty song. That might help for you. That might work for you. Number 7, naked time. So before I started, you know, well, I did try to put her in the panties, and you know, she was still using the bathroom in the panties. I'm like, yo, like, what is going on? So we had naked time, and I didn't know this was a thing until like I was looking up different tricks and stuff and tips. But naked time, and basically what it is she just basically had a shirt on and she was naked from the bottom down, and that really helped her because, like, I remember the first day I did that, every time she had to use the bathroom, she was running to that potty. She was running to that potty because she didn't want to mess up all over the floor, or, you know, so she was going to the potty. That really helped her naked time. And we did that for about a week or two. And then I went back to putting her panties on her, and she did so much better with that. And, you know, just talking to them and just letting them know and just explaining to them, like, we're putting your panties on. Just every time you're doing it, I know it can be very repetitive and they having accidents and you're like, what in the world? You're gonna get through it, trust me. But just keep repeating to them and reminding them, like, you have to go to the potty, we're putting on your panties right now, so don't pee-pee or poo-poo in your panties, you know. Just continuously let them know. Just continuously let them know. And remember, remind yourself, this is new for them. This is something new, okay? So give them time, be patient, okay? Number 8, train by example. And what I mean by this is take your child to the bathroom with you, okay? I know you're like, but if your child anything like my child, she been coming to the bathroom with me since I can remember, all right? Like, but I started to tell her, like, Skylar, mommy's using the potty. I'm using the potty. Like, you know, I started to, you know, when I go to the potty, hey, I'm gonna go potty. And if she's in there, mommy's pottying, da-da-da-da. You see mommy's doing it, you gotta go to the potty like mommy goes to the potty, you know? So, train by example. Number 9. Remember, regression happens. Remember that they can go backwards, okay? They may have a good 2-3 days. They may have a good week. And then, boom, they start regressing back. And she starts having more accidents and stuff. Remember that will happen. It takes time. It really does take time. Or you may have to try another technique. So, just, I keep saying it, but honestly, it takes patience. And you're going to have setbacks. You're going to have times where you're like, oh my gosh, they're doing so good. They're doing so good. And then boom. But it's all in the process. It's a process. Don't be discouraged. And, you know, praise your baby as much as you can when they do go to the potty, and just let them know, reinforce, like, that's good, you went to the potty, good job, mommy's happy. I'm not happy when you don't go to the potty. I'm not happy when you pee-pee on yourself. I said it so many times. Skylar, I'm not happy when you poo-poo on yourself, okay? Like, y'all, oh gosh, just thinking about it, like, like, I would call my mom, like, oh my gosh, she done had an accident. She'd be like, girl, I've been throwing them pennies away. But me, like, I soaked them, I cleaned them, and boom, I was just like, you know, just kept it moving. Like, I just got so used to just cleaning poo out of pennies. It was nothing, all right? It would have cost me too much to be throwing away pennies. So I just cleaned them bad boys out. But, yeah. I guess that's why some people just try to do pull-ups, but the panties really help me. And another thing you can get is the panty liners, or what is that? It's like, oh, I wish I had them in here, but it's basically, it's not fabric, but they're like water resistant. You can put those over the panties, and that will kind of help with like the leakage and stuff like that. So you could get some of those. I know I got those from Myers. I'm pretty sure Walmart or somewhere have it. Everybody got a Walmart near you. But tip number 10. Tip number 10 would be patient. Be patient. be patient, be patient. Your child is gonna get there. Just be patient with them and know that, you know, this is new for them. It's a process. Skylar has setbacks. Like, she sometimes now will have an accident, but it's not nothing on everyday basis. You know, it's because she drank too much the night before and she didn't go, I didn't take her to the potty before she went to sleep, and she didn't pee in the bed, or I let, you know, like I let her drink too late. So things like that. But just make sure, you know, you take them to the bathroom before they take their nap, and then as soon as they get up, take them to the bathroom. So you got to be on it. You have to be consistent. I'm trying to think of anything else that helped her. So that is it. If you made it to the end of the video, well, I have a surprise for you guys. If you have a little girl, I actually have an extra potty. It's the same exact potty that I used to potty train Skylar. It's a baby pink color, so cute. I will insert a picture right here. Never been used, never been open, but I'm gonna give it away to one lucky mom. So if you are in need of a potty, just down below in the comment section, I want you to tell me, since this is like Mother's Day month, I want you to tell me one, I know it's gonna be hard because it's hard to come up with one reason why you love being a mother, or one way your child has changed your life. And you also have to be following me on Instagram. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you've written a comment down below in the comment section, and you go over to my Instagram, follow me on there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And like I've said before, this is a journey, this is a process, so just be patient, be consistent, and you will get it. You will get it, trust me, you will get it. By the time you know it, your toddler is going to be fully potty trained, and all of that, you know, cleaning up all that poo and that pee, it's gonna be over, okay? There is light at the end of the tunnel. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play.